Hi everyone, today we're going to make one of my favourite dips, Melitzanosalata. Sorry for the awful pronunciation, it's a bit of a tongue twister. I call it a dip, but it actually does just translate as aubergine salad, and it can be ate as such. You will need 3 aubergines and 1 red pepper. Put them on a tin foil lined tray, prick them all over with a fork, cook the aubergine for 45 minutes and the pepper for 20 minutes on 200°C fan. Turn them halfway through and once ready leave them to cool. Once ready to handle, open and remove the flesh with a spoon. Chop coarsely and set aside to drain for 15 minutes. Help it along by pressing it with a spoon every now and then. After 15 minutes you'll see the juices have released. Peel and de-seed the pepper. Cut it into cubes and put in with the aubergine. Add half a bunch of parsley, a quarter of finely diced onion and 2 cloves of grated garlic, juice of 1 lemon, 6 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, pepper. Mix everything together and it's ready. Absolutely love this. I hope you will too. Enjoy.